Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another reaction video. We got the most scariest moments caught on doorbell camera. Let's check it out.
In this video, a woman approaches her neighbor's front porch and greets them
Try
before
not to get
doing
scared,
so.
y'all.
Hey neighbor,
Fuck.
please leave my family alone. It's just you again. I've always had a crush on you. Please, why are my kids missing?
The homeowner talks to her over the speaker, asking her to leave them alone.
Is she eating beef jerky?
You want some? I want my family back. I don't want any seaweed.
Or is she eating, is that seaweed she's eating? Like, bro.
Stop. Please leave my family alone. That's okay, let me go. I love ghosts.
This is very disturbing, bro. On all levels, this is very disturbing. Holy. She got braces, too.
This goes on for a while before the video ends. This video clearly shows the uploader had an unexpected late-night visitor who was a complete stranger.
What the world? Bro, this is already giving me goosebumps, bro. Look at this. Bro, what is she doing?
Get the fuck out of there.
Bro, the homeowner.
Yo, what you doing there?
Bro, what you doing there? Yo.
What the fuck you doing here, eh?
In December 2020, a Reddit user named T-Course got a notification on their phone that there was someone at their door in the middle of the night during heavy rain. Check out the spooky visitor they captured on camera.
What the world, bro?
There's a
Is she
woman standing at
crying?
the door, and her mouth is wide open.
Yo, she better close her mouth before something fly in it.
She's shuffling her feet back and forth, but her mouth remains
Bro, is she
gaping.
on drugs? Like, she gotta be on that fentanyl or something. Yo. She on that fent. She got going on. She got an umbrella.
The homeowner wasn't home at the time.
Yo.
So they didn't have to decide whether to open the door or not.
That's scary,
Some people
bro.
on Reddit thought it was similar to a scene from the 2014 horror movie, The Taking of Deborah Logan.
Oh my
where
gosh,
a
bro.
woman has a
I never
jaw
saw that movie.
Seems to be unhinged, and something creepy happens. So, what would you do in this situation?
Not open my door.
Would you be
That's
a good person and invite her in for tea
No.
and scones, or would you prefer to hide
No.
and wait for everything to calm down?
No, definitely not. I would have called the cops. That's exactly what I would have done. 100%. What I look like open up my door.
Watch this heart-pounding video that shows a girl being followed home by an aggressive man.
Oh no. Females, be safe out there, man. Oh my gosh. Yo. Yo, hey. If she was a millisecond late on that, bro, that could have went way worse.
In this video, instead of a creepy person approaching the porch and potentially causing trouble,
What was
it shows
that?
a snake slithering around. Creepy.
Oh. Yo. Is that a python? Whack that jank with whack it on over the head. Whack it over the head or shoot it. Call the fire department. Wait, hold up. That snake don't even look that big. Bro, whole time I thought the snake was bigger than that. Probably because it was on the camera, but yo, I thought it was a huge snake or something.
This video shows why having a home security system is a good idea. It's almost 1 a.m. on July 31st, 2020.
Word.
A Redditor named Navy Beans gets a notification on their phone because
Navy
their security
Beans?
system detected movement outside their house. They checked their camera feed and saw this.
What the heck, bro? What is
Some
what?
naked man is walking up their driveway.
Bro, what is going on? There's
Another
no
camera
way.
shows the man acting strangely, pacing around and looking confused.
Bro, there's no way. Yeah, he gotta have like a mental illness or something. Gotta be that, or he's gotta be on drugs. That's one or the other, bro. There's no way that you're just gonna do this if you're normal, bro. Is he running now? What the hell is he doing?
At one
Weirdo.
point, he takes the garden hose from its reel and goes around the side of the house.
Bro, what is he doing? Is he trying to take a shower or something?
He disappears from the camera for a short moment.
Bro, what is he doing, yo? Did he still got the garden hose, or?
The homeowner mentioned that they live on a 3-acre property in a remote area on a mountain. The nearest town is miles away, and their neighbors are quite far too. The Reddit user jokingly suggested it might be a Terminator, like from the movies, wandering around naked after traveling back in time.
Really,
However,
nigga?
they were genuinely puzzled by the situation. It's surprising they could find humor in it, as it's pretty scary to see something like this
Nah,
happening
for
on your
real,
property.
bro.
Most people
Imagine you just sleeping and then you wake up to this. Like,
Still,
yo,
it's hard to predict what someone in such an agitated state might do. So what would you do if you saw this on your home security camera?
call the
Share your
cops, bro.
thoughts in the comments below.
I'm not going out
This
there.
person received a notification
Yo.
at 4:30 on their phone.
The fuck is this? You trying to cover, bro? We already saw your face, bro. Come on now. We already saw your face, bro. Really covered up the camera. We can't
The
see
man rang the
anything,
doorbell after he first covered up the camera.
bro. What was all that for?
This shocking video
Yeah.
from 2006 might actually be real footage of a fallen angel.
2006. They didn't really have like good editing back then, so I mean, you could think that it's real. Can't see nothing though. Yo,
For Darcer, a homeowner receives a notification on their Ring camera and sees this.
bro. Bro.
A homeowner receives a notification on their Ring camera and sees
What
this.
type of weirdo? Bro, this is got he's gotta know them, bro. There's no way. He's gotta be like a friend or something. Bro, really decided when he woke up, I'm gonna go to somebody's house and be weird in their Ring door camera, bro. Come on now.
In In the middle of
That
the
nigga
night,
on
a
drugs.
homeowner received an alert on their Ring doorbell, indicating something was outside. When they
The hell
viewed
is
the
that?
footage, they saw this.
The hell is that? What is it? Somebody crawling? Or we can't see nothing.
This video captures someone trespassing on the person's property at 3:30 in the morning. The person looks partly invisible.
The fuck? Like they crippled too.
A shocking video shows 3 men carrying a dead body out of an Airbnb in Florida.
Oh my gosh, no. What the heck? No backstory? Whoa. The fuck? No backstory to this though? Bro, come on, you gotta at least give us a backstory. Like like what happened? Like, come on now.
Spooky
But
Ring
what
doorbell
is
security video
this?
was shared on Reddit by a user named Seaton.
Free
Born in
hugs?
the 30. In 2019, a homeowner
Gotta
got
be
a
during Halloween
notification that
time.
someone was at their front door. According to the post, they chose not to answer it.
Good.
It's not hard to understand why.
Don't be stupid. Yeah, this is during Halloween. Oh my gosh, bro. Free hugs. Bro shaking his head like, yeah, I got free hugs. Trick or
Look at this.
treat.
The person wearing a creepy mask is at
Trick
the
or
door holding a
treat.
sign that says free hugs. They stare menacingly at the camera and then point to their sign. Based on the video's timestamp, it's actually Halloween night, which makes it a bit less scary. But I'm still trying to decide if I'd be comfortable opening the door to this
No.
person.
How
Even
much some
on
free
Halloween.
hugs? And this is a grown man. This is not a little kid. So, like, bro, it's too old to
This
be trick or
video
treating.
shows a man trying to open doors in the middle of the night,
Man,
seemingly
checking for
looking
unlocked
for an easy
doors.
burglary opportunity.
Look at this nigga, bro.
This is a genuinely
Crazy,
scary
bro.
piece of footage showing someone hacking the homeowner's doorbell camera.
Wait, huh? That shit loud as fuck. What the hell? Y'all hear that? I like you, bro. What the world?
From a strange naked man to a slippery snake, this next video from a Reddit user named Objective and Biased must have been quite a surprise. Check it out.
Yo. Oh no. Oh no, bro.
A snake is climbing up the wall next to the Ring doorbell camera.
Bro.
It just keeps going up.
Bro, how... Pause. How long is the
And up.
snake, yo?
And up.
Bro, that snake like
up some more.
100 feet long. Like, come on now.
It's a really big snake.
Bro. What type of snake is that?
At one point, you can see some birds swooping down at the snake.
Birds better be careful.
The homeowner said the snake seemed to be after a bird's nest on the roof. When they saw the video, they rushed home during their lunch break with a shovel and a rake, but they couldn't find the snake anywhere.
Oh no.
Most
Oh
people
no.
jokingly said the snake now owns the house, and they might have to move or do something extreme to deal with it.
Call the fire department. That's what you gotta do in these situations. Call the fire department.
A TikTok user named Transfer King posted this video with the caption, "Found this on our doorbell camera at around 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., which is known as the Devil's Hour. Creepy as hell. And years ago, right where we live, was an
What the
old railroad."
heck?
What the hell? What is that, Mom? Mom,
That's
you
gotta
see
be
this?
edited, right?
What is happening? You guys see this?
I mean, but it is a Ring doorbell camera, so those are like
What is that?
usually real, but like this don't even look right. Bro.
This odd doorbell video displays a man walking up to a stranger's front porch with a strange look on his face before the video suddenly stops.
What the bro? Nah, yeah, bro and drugs. Yeah.
Check out this really strange video of a woman messing with someone's mail.
Oh yeah, she going to jail. FedEx. What the heck? She putting her titties in the camera? Yo, back up. What the world? She got something in her pocket. Dang, that hoodie pocket is huge, yo. Bro, she's going in somebody's mailbox. Yeah, we saw
This
your
next
face
one
too,
is
so
not
you going to
scary at all.
jail.
It's a bit of a refreshment from all the other spooky videos. A Reddit user named Silverado Surfer 16 was waiting for their DoorDash lunch in South Dakota when they got an unusual surprise at their door. Check it out.
Police officer?
No, I'm not who you're expecting. But your driver got arrested for insanity.
Oh,
Thanks.
that is crazy work, yo. The Uber
A Sioux
driver
Falls
got
police officer delivers the DoorDash order and says that the delivery driver was just arrested. The homeowner is surprised, but still happily takes her leave.
Yo.
Thanks.
Nah, that's wild, bro. Oh, snap.
It looks
Bro.
like the police force's motto might need an update to include protecting and serving your lunchtime treats. Right, so.
That's wild, bro. Is that... Bro. That is crazy.
In this video, a stranger approaches someone's front porch and rings the bell.
Hello? Is anybody home?
No, go away. Nobody's home. Go away. Nobody's home. Go away.
Fingerprints again?
Nobody's home. Go away. Don't touch the camera.
Can anyone understand the last sentence he says here?
Nope.
The uploader of this video was home
A little
alone
boy?
when a neighborhood thief and drug addict rang their doorbell.
Oh my
The
gosh.
uploader asked her husband to answer through the speaker because she didn't want him to know she was there. He insisted on speaking to someone in person and eventually left. He returned with a notepad, peered through the front windows, and snooped around the driveway. The husband arrived and told him to leave.
What the world? Is he trying to get him some? That's the only, excuse me, the only explanation I got from that. Bro was trying to get him some. Gets home and confronts him and tells him to stay off her property. He had to get a restraining order. He threatened to
Threatened to
whoa.
harm the couple and stood outside muttering to himself for an hour.
Oh nah, bro. Y'all gotta move at that point. Or get strapped up or something.
Camera late at night and saw this.
What am I looking at? So it better not be no jump scare. The fuck am I looking at? What am I looking at?
The homeowner saw a man received a motion detection notification from his doorbell camera late at night and saw this.
What the heck is that up in the sky? What the? Is that a UFO? I believe aliens are real, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. It might be a UFO. Whole time.
The homeowner checked their cameras later to discover that this man was in their backyard, attempting to hide from the police.
Can I help you back there? What do you know?
This TikToker posted a strange video with the caption, "Attempted break-in. Man just tried to break into our house. Please be careful." Rang the doorbell and knocked nonstop for 2 or 3 minutes.
Dang, 2 or 3 minutes. Bro.
The person who posted this video thought it was a maintenance man coming from their apartment. But it turns out this man was far creepier than expected.
What a creep. Yeah, creep indeed, buddy.
This doorbell footage captures a man pacing back and forth in front of someone's front door at 3:17 in the morning. In this video, a man's wife called him in a panic because someone was trying to break into their house, and this is what he saw. The caption on this eerie TikTok video reads, "My 5-year-old said 2 guys were driving by really slowly.
Oh
and
no.
pointing at him. Good thing I told him to come in if he sees any strangers."
Bro, that was attempted kidnapping right there.
Take a look at this.
And why is he outside playing by himself anyway though? Like, I don't care if you're in a safe neighborhood.
Able to figure out.
You're supposed to be outside with your kid 24/7. Yeah, feel? What was that?
Posted this TikTok video claims that the doorbell camera footage shows a creepy figure. In this Facebook video, a San Diego resident received a notification of a visitor, and when he checked his phone, he saw a supposed door-to-door salesman, which made him understandably suspicious. He confronted the person, and it turned out the man was wanted for 19 burglaries.
19 burglaries?
After a car chase shootout.
Who do you think he is? Yo, y'all be safe out there, bro. Which one did y'all think was the most scariest moment, man? Y'all let me know down in the comments below. You know what I'm saying? But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you're new, turn on my post notifications so you get notified whenever I drop another banger video. Without further ado, I'm out.